welcome to another video. In this video we show you a demonstration of using the Titan calendar as a Lightning Web component. So here is a form and there's a calendar, and you can have this dynamically read data from Salesforce and also write the data back to Salesforce. So what we've done is we're taking this exact calendar, which takes about 5 minutes to set up, and then we've just embedded it into a calendar Lightning Web component in Salesforce like this. What can you do with this? Well, let's say I wanted to drag this block here and say this is a Titan LWC calendar demo. When I click OK, what this will do is it will create an activity for this exact contact. So if I show you, look over here, alright? This has now been created, and that's the power of using the calendar Lightning Web component. What you can do is you can just embed it. They can directly book, just drag and drop, create new entries, and it will automatically create a task for them, and then you can track that task under your activity. It's really easy, really simple. It takes a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes to build it and then embed it, and then you can even do drag and drop as well, and it will automatically update everything for you. Really cool functionality. Contact us to find out more.